Hello guys, in today's video we are going to unbox and review the Oral-B Pro 1 toothbrushes. This is actually a gift edition where you get two brushes for a lower price. I'm not sure if it's the same price, but yeah. So let's open them up. First of all, and see what's inside the box. So we have this foam protection, and probably the brushes are going to be inside. Yes, we have two brushes. Probably this one is the charger. So as I understood, there is only one charger for the two brushes, because it's like a couple pack. This is the charger. I'm not sure how it's going to charge it though. Probably it's a magnetic charger. And let's open it up. So yeah, that's your charger, European head, because we are in Europe. But if you buy these in America, you will receive obviously the American charger cables. Some paperwork. These are the heads for the toothbrush. As you can see, I think they have, yeah, they have a ring with two different colors, so you can find which one is yours. Here is the paperwork. If this is your first electric brush, you should check these out. And let's take out the brushes themselves. So this is how it looks. And this is how you can place them on the charger, like this. And it is going to charge it. Okay, let's try and put them together with the brush heads. So here there is a place where you can open them, like this. Just pull this down. And take out the brush head with the colored ring as well. I'm not sure where that goes, probably here somewhere. Yeah, probably here. And then let's place it on the toothbrush head. It goes on like this, and it's pretty much it. Now let's try if it has any charge. Yes, it has. This is how it works. It's pretty strong, I would say. It does not have a sensor for you to tell what pressure should you apply, but it has a timer which is going to tell you when the 2 minutes, the recommended 2 minutes, have passed. I think you can remove the batteries from here. Not sure how. We should check out the instructions before taking this apart. But yeah, that's pretty much it, what you can get in this box. And these are the brushes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.